This is an insulin syringe with a safety feature. This white piece is pushed up over the needle after the injection so that the needle isn't exposed and you aren't able to stick yourself. But this is the syringe that I was using, or this is the type of syringe that I was using when I stuck myself. And unfortunately, it was because I was distracted. So I want to talk about that so that no one does what I did. So what I did is I administered the insulin to my patient. I then flipped the needle over. I got my left hand, or my non-dominant hand, up, and I went to go pop the safety feature. But as I was bringing the needle and my left hand over, I stuck the needle into my hand. And that is not best practice. What I should have done, and what I hope all of you do, is you administer the injection, you flip your syringe over, and with the thumb of your dominant hand, you slide the safety up. So your non-dominant hand should not be part of that scenario in any way. Or if it has to be, if it is, make sure you are focusing on what you're doing. I was talking to my patient. I wasn't even looking at the syringe when I was going to meet it with my other hand to employ the safety measure. So please be careful when you're working with needles. And just because the syringe has a safety mechanism doesn't mean the needle is safe.